Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to make text easier to read in Windows 10. Adjusting the ClearType text settings can greatly enhance the readability of text on your screen. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by pressing the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up the Start menu. Step 2. Next, go to the Control Panel. You can do this by searching for Control Panel in the Start menu. Once you're in the Control Panel, navigate to the Appearance and Personalization section. From there, click on the Fonts option. Step 3. Inside the font settings, you'll find various font-related options. Look for the option labeled Adjust ClearType Text on the left side and click on it. Step 4. A new window will open up. Here, check the box that says Turn on ClearType to enable the ClearType text settings. Step 5. Press the Next button to proceed to the ClearType tuning process. Step 6. In the following steps, you'll be presented with different text samples. Select the text sample that appears clearer and easier to read to you. Click Next to proceed to the next step. Repeat this process for all 5 steps. Step 7. Once you've completed the ClearType tuning process, press the Finish button to save your settings. And that's it. You've successfully made text easier to read in Windows 10 by adjusting the ClearType text settings. Now you can enjoy improved readability and a more comfortable viewing experience. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.